Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. I hope you guys have had a fabulous week. I know I am behind on posting videos. There's been a lot going on. I'm hoping to be back on track this week. If not, it will be next week. But I wanted to go ahead and shoot a really quick video and get it uploaded for you guys. I just got the new Kirby Rosanis book in, and I'm trying to work on an image for that and shoot a video. So at the bare minimum, hopefully I can post the book flip through, but I'm actually hoping to post a finished picture by Friday. Again, no guarantees this week. I'm sorry guys, like my husband's been sick and it's been a lot of running in and out of doctor's offices. So please bear with me. This video is going to be out of the book Mysteria by Anastasia, Elle, Koldareva. And I wanted to shoot this video because there's been a lot of questions online about how to know when you've colored enough, or why my coloring looks different from yours or someone else's looks different from yours. So I went ahead and I started this picture. It's not finished yet, but I wanted to show you progression here and why layering with colored pencils is so important. So in this image, I started to layer colored pencils to show you guys how it looks. So this would be like layer one, and I added a second color here so you can see where I put a little bit of orange in. And by the way, I used SJ Starjoy Gold Editions. I am really falling in love with these colored pencils. For an inexpensive colored pencil, it does amazing work. So that's what I used for this. So this would be like the starter layer that you would put down, and then I just started adding to it so you could kind of see a progression. So I did more on the face than I did on the hair, but I wanted to go ahead and show as you start adding layers and colors what happens. So a lot of people stop at this point. If they don't stop at this point, they stop at this next point, which is right here. So that's when, you know, you have your initial, this is probably 3 layers right here. And there's three or 4 colors in here. I think it's 3. So it starts with here, then you continue to layer, add another layer, and here's what you get. But if you just add a couple more layers and you don't stop there, it goes from that to that. Guys, I didn't do anything different but add layers. This is why layering is so important. So it goes from, you know, decent coloring to like it really pops and you get that realism effect just by adding a couple more layers. So you can see it on the face too. This is a couple of layers over here, and this is the continuation of that. So, and I think I also added a little bit of like a yellowish color to the face there to help bring it forward. But again, when you just add a couple more layers, it goes from this to this. So it's really up to you on what style you guys like. And all I can say is just don't quit. Just keep adding layers. When you're done, you'll know you're done. So I don't think I could add any more layers to this if I wanted to. I may be able to add another layer or 2, but I don't think it needs it. This is the way I want it. So if you're looking for more realistic style of coloring, just try to add more layers. Even if you do it in a small corner because you're scared of it, which I understand. When you start putting more and more color on the paper, you know, you're committed to it. But even if you just did a small little part of your picture and saw how it looked, if you continue to add layers, and then see if you like the effect. Again, coloring is a very personal decision. Wherever you start and stop is completely up to you. But that, for me at least, is the difference between the regular coloring and the realism effect. So is I just added layers. I was also careful about where I put my highlights, but again, they're kind of all blended in here a little bit because I didn't add the additional layers yet. For me, I call this, you know, the fugly stage. So the stage where it's starting to come together, but it's just not quite there yet. So, and then just again, another couple layers later, this is what you get. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. I hope everyone has a fabulous week, and I should be posting another video on Friday. Thank you for being patient. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.